everyone, welcome to Scintilla, a spark of learning and wisdom. My name is Pranavi. I'll be teaching you math in a fun learning series. This video is a continuation of part 1 video that is suitable for class 3 students. Hope you have all watched the part 1 video. What did we learn there? Let us recall. Come on. We have learned class 3 fractions. What are fractions? How to write a fraction, how to find half, 1/3 and 1/4, and fractions as a division. In today's video, we are going to learn the types of fractions, that is in our part 2 video. The types of fractions: unit fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper, improper, and mixed fraction. Now let's see each one of them what it says. Are you all ready? Excited? Come on. Okay, first let us learn the unit fraction. Look at the given figures. Can you see that the shaded parts? It is 1/4, 1/3, 1/8 and 1/12. What does it mean? What is the common thing here? All the numerators has 1 and the different denominators. It means the whole numbers. What does it say? A fraction or a group of fraction whose numerator is 1, we call such fractions as a unit fractions. Am I clear? Now, the next two fractions which we are going to see is based on the denominators. Now, the first one is like fractions. Can you see the given figures here? It is written as 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. These are the shaded parts. What do you notice here? All these fractions have the denominator 4. That is, they have the same denominator. 2 or more fractions which have the same denominator, we call that fractions as a like fractions. Now, let us learn the third unlike fractions. As the name suggests, it's the opposite of like fractions. Can you see the given figures? What are the fractions they are given? 1/2, 2/3 and 3/4. Are the denominators same? Are the numerators same? No. So, this fraction says the denominators are different. So, 2 or more fractions having a different denominators, we call them as a unlike fractions. Now, let's see the fourth type of the fraction, that is the proper fraction. Look at the given figures. What does it say? What is a fraction of it? 3/4, 1/2 and 3/12. What do you notice here? Here, look at the numerator and denominator. For example, take this 7/15. 7 is the numerator and 15 is the denominator. So, the numerator is less than the denominator. In any given fraction, if the numerator is less than the denominator, such fractions are called proper fractions. And these proper fractions value is always less than 1 whole number. The fifth type of fraction is improper fraction. As the name suggests, it's the opposite of proper fractions. Now look at the given figures. Observe them. What are the fractions written there? 2/2, 4/4 and 7/4. What do you notice here? Here, either the fraction numerator and denominator are same or the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So what does it mean? It means a fraction whose numerator is bigger or equal to the denominator. Such fractions are called improper fractions and their value is always more than 1. Now, the last type of fraction, that is a mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? It is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Now look at the given figures here. It shows the fraction is written as 1 3/4 and 1 3/8. What does it mean? Here in the given fraction, 1 is called the whole number and 3/4. Look at the fraction 3. 3 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator, which is the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So it's a proper fraction. A fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction together is referred as a mixed fraction. Now, before moving on to the next topic, let us identify the type of fractions which is given here. Okay, how are we going to identify? And what are the types we are going to identify? We are going to identify the unit fraction, the proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. What is a unit fraction? Which has a numerator 1 and the denominator as a whole number. And now the proper fractions. What do you mean by proper fraction? A numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 3 by 7. So 3 is smaller than 7. Now let's go to the improper fraction. What does the improper fraction says? The numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator. For example, 2 by 2 or 5 by 3. And what is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and the proper fraction. Come on, let's identify them. I hope by now we are all clear with the types of fractions. Now, here's a set of fractions given for you. I want you all to identify the types of fractions and write it in the comments below. Now, let us learn how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. For that, here are the steps given below. What is the first step? You have to divide the numerator upon denominator. Once you divide, you will get a quotient and the remainder. The quotient becomes your whole number, the remainder becomes your numerator, and the divisor becomes your denominator. Now, let us learn with the example. For example, see here 13 by 4. How do we divide this? 4, 3 are 12. What is the remainder we got? 1. So, what is the quotient here? 3. 3 is your whole number. What is the numerator? The remainder, that is 1. And what is the denominator? The 4. So, the 13 by 4 is written as 3, 1 by 4. Let us see a few more examples how to convert for a better understanding. Let's take 7 by 3. Again, 7 is greater than 3. So, obviously it's an improper fraction. Now divide. 3 2s are 6. What is the remainder we got? 1. So, what is the quotient? 2. The 2 is our whole number. The remainder 1 is our numerator. And then 3 is our denominator. So, this 7 by 3 fraction is written as 2, 1 by 3. Let us see another example. See here 14 by 3. 14 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. By looking at the fraction, we can say that's an improper fraction. Why? The numerator is bigger than the denominator. What should we do? The next step, divide them. So, 3 4s are 12. So, what is the remainder? 2. How are we going to write this as a mixed fraction? That is 4, 2 by 3. Are you all clear now?
Now let us see how to convert mixed fractions to improper fraction. Let us see the steps to convert. First, multiply the whole number with the denominator. Step 2, add the numerator to the product. The sum becomes your numerator and the denominator remains the same.
Let us understand with an example. Look at the given mixed fraction here, that is 6, 1 by 4. How are you going to do this? Multiply 6 into 4 and then add with the numerator and the denominator remains the same. 6 4s is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, 25 by 4. Okay, I hope you have understood. For better understanding, let me take few more examples to help you out. Now, look at this fraction 2, 3 by 4. What are we going to do that first? Multiply whole number with the denominator, that is 2 into 4 plus the numerator, that is 3. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Upon what is the denominator? Denominator remains the same. What is it? 4. Yes? Now let's see the another example. Look here. Here the mixed fraction they are given as 1, 2 by 5. How are we going to do it? Multiply the whole number with the denominator. That is 1 into 5 plus the numerator. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 by 5. So kids, let us recall today's learning. Today we have learned the different types of fractions. Those are the unit fraction, like, unlike, proper, improper and mixed fractions. And also we have learned how to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction and vice versa. Thank you for learning with me. This is Pranavi and this is Scintilla Learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math fun videos. In the next session, that is the part 3 of the continuation video, we'll be learning how to add and subtract like and unlike fractions. So stay tuned, keep learning. Kids, if you have any particular question or a problem that you want me to clarify, please comment below. I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you.